coming, kid.
How did you tell him so fast move? Ah,
Leave Henry and DJ.
thanks, sister, for the gun.
Yeah, okay, no problem. But have fun killing you lovebirds.
We are not lovebirds. You're gonna be the one we are going to kill.
I can't believe you have the audacity to steal DJ's lines.
Ha ha.
Henry, do you take DJ as your waffly heaven husband? I cannot pronounce that right, but do you?
Yes.
DJ, do you take Henry as your waffly leavened husband? Again, I said it wrong.
Yes, of course.
Okay, well, now you can kiss the husband.